àǹtí Yínká Aláṣeyọrí tẹ̀dúná ṣó o jù mí lọ ni ìwọ ọmọ 1992 ó ṣe máa pé 34 years ní next month ni tó bá bá ẹ̀ làwa sì jẹ́ wọ ibẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ni mò ń lọ wá ó ní kó máa gbàdúrà àbí àdúrà ló máa release àwọn ọmọ tó kidnap yẹn actually mi ní attack ẹ at all mi ní attack ẹ mo mọ̀ pé òun try láti protect business ẹ ni because election is around the corner, right? O dẹ̀ fẹ́ kàn pè ẹ́ kàn fún ẹ lówó kó wá kọrin so we believe pé the best thing láti fi support wọn ní nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn whereas you are wrong. O ní kàn máa gbàdúrà wàá ti travel out rí o at least wàá ti lọ kọrin láwọn countries tó létò. I believe that. Ṣé àdúrà ló set up àwọn countries yẹn? Ṣàdúrà ló ń jẹ́ kó function? Ó ní kó máa pe Jésù àbí? Israel ni Jésù ti wá láti Israel. Israel fight war against Iran. Jọ ṣé àdúrà náà ń gbà tí àwọn bọ́ǹbù yẹn fi ń fò àbí? Like, I don't understand.
ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí arákùnrin yìí tí ó sọ ò ẹ ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí ó sọ ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo èyí tí a tún fẹ́ wò yìí ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí òun náà tí ó tún fẹ́ sọ ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn rẹ̀.
Yínká Aláṣeyọrí Yínká Aláṣeyọrí Obama ti sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba náà Obama ti sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́sidẹ́ǹtì kí ló sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́sidẹ́ǹtì fún you know say they go drag you I don't know some people no even know say they be public figure why they talk gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣe ń lọ tí maybe say everybody dey para everybody dey vex you still come dey talk say they dey try even if you want to say they are trying there is a way there is a it not be only Yínká Aláṣeyọrí go talk about am na I've watched a lot of videos that made us to understand that to be a leader is not easy. Our Nigerian people they don't hear anything. We too they do say we too they do everything we want to talk. Every small thing drag. We too like drag. We too like fight for this country. It be like it dey among of the reasons why the countries have not they move forward. We just too like drag. We don't even know. If we want even correct somebody, say, you could call it drag person like say you don't get the best for mind. Why? I've watched a lot of videos. Concerning this lady, Yínká Aláṣeyọrí. None of them spoke very well. None of them. I mean, there's a way you can address somebody. At least address the person. At least without putting hate and all those things. Yeah? One can't have any opinion here now. Everybody have their own different kind of opinions. Where did the warrior yourself for this country? But you self, as you don't start with prayer. Prayer is the key. Prayer. Now so we dey learn on that day now. But as we pray, we don't pray. Tire. Not do anything now. You can't make yourself reason. You don't do anything. Prayer not do anything. Prayer they work for individual. You don't they work for the country again. You know they work. We don't pray. We don't tire. Now we need action. As you dey on that prayer level, we suppose don't they push. Suppose don't. Just day for that prayer, start that kind of thing that Yínká Aláṣeyọrí, only prayer lay go do lórí. But the moment you now started saying that, the president is trying, if you don't fuck up on here, and now people they know they hear anything they could drag you. I don't know. Our people they sleep for inside dream that they drag, they still they drag people inside dream. We like dragging for this country. Yínká, you don't know. In fact, I was disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in that video wey you do. But Yorùbá náà ló pa lówe pé ọmọ ẹni ò lè burú ká lè fẹ́ kún pàjẹ́. Una wey dey do video, una own too much. You don't do. Now when they do video, where they talk about her, where they condemn her, you can condemn her speech, you can but don't condemn her. I watched one Baba video. The Baba, hey, this Baba analyze the way you be before you. Man be crazy. This man, Baba and they analyze it. In fact, Otu Yinka Alaseyori ni pepeye. Olo da pepeye boy gba ton mo ede ngba e. To da pepeye fear catch me. It's like what? No, now maybe they take am easy. No, they take am easy, I beg. Maybe they, now when you mess up, you know, nobody really send your papa or nobody really like you. Maybe we no use Yinka Alaseyori now as a distraction. Maybe we leave her. If now want talk, now want address, now there's a way you can enlighten person. There's a way you can disagree. That's the right the right word. There's a way you can disagree without insults. Maybe now know they do things like this now. Now why the government say they make us they play, they use us they play? Because they know they see us as a serious person. Any small thing we don't talk, embarrass. It's tiring. I beg. Maybe now leave Yinka, and maybe we focus on the same thing. Where they go on, maybe we leave Yinka. Because now small thing like this, now small now they start to. Now so they start. Now so now small thing we now they pay attention to. Yinka yourself mention not be everything. If you don't know, if you don't get what you want to talk, shut up. Don't be everything you go to talk. Say he's trying. I'm on a while from now. I beg. Anyway, peace and love.